Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove or adjust extra space between paragraphs in Microsoft Word. This straightforward process will help you achieve a clean, professional look in your document. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. Firstly, open your Word document. Once your Word document is open, place your crosshair between two paragraphs where you notice extra space or want to adjust the space between. This will be your starting point for adjusting the space. Next, navigate to the Home tab at the top of the window in the paragraph group. In the paragraph group, locate the line and paragraph spacing icon, which should be right over here, as you can see. Now just simply click that option. Now in this drop-down menu, you can select the preferred spacing for a single-space document. Choose 1.0. If you prefer double spacing, choose 2.0. And now if you need to adjust a specific area, highlight the section first, then click on the spacing icon to choose your desired spacing option, as you can see right over here. If you still see extra space between paragraphs, it might be due to a manually inserted blank line. Simply click between the paragraphs and use the backspace key to remove any unwanted space. You can then add a single lined break if needed. So that's it. You have learned how to adjust the space between paragraphs in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.